Wait. What's up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, a little bit of sneakers, and anything creative. Now, we all know today is Apple Day, Apple Event Day. That's what it is. Now, first thing I gotta say, Apple, please hire a personality. You need someone with some swag, some life to present your event. I mean, everybody's typically reading off, look, just hire someone with fun, someone who I would love to see present, so I don't fall asleep at the tail end of your event like I did today. I legit, dead ass, fell asleep on the tail end of this Apple event. They need to get like iJustine up there and a couple other great creators from this platform to present your iPhone. I guarantee you more people will be into what you're talking about, or whatever. Yeah, take my advice, Apple. I told you in my Note 9 review, when I was talking about the price of the 512, the 1249, 512 gigabyte, 8 gig RAM Note 9, I told you wait till you see Apple's price. And I knew that the price was gonna possibly be $1,500. I knew 10S Max, XS Max. I knew that was gonna be the price point. And I don't see any fluff or complaints. I'm looking for your videos and I want to hear it. Now I get it. It's Apple, it's iOS, it's the great design, beautiful phones. They operate optimized to a T. I get it. It's gonna be lit. $1,449. Damn. I had to take a double take at that one. I knew it was coming. I'm very hype about the Apple Watch Series 4. Did you see that? 44 millimeter, no questions. I'm on it. Now, as far as which iPhone I will be picking up, I did want to get like the equivalent to the Note 9 in Apple's term, but Apple want that bag. I don't know if I want to give up that much of a bag for the 512 gigabyte. Now, I will more than likely get the iPhone XS Max, extra small Max. iPhone XS Max is probably on my menu to grab. I'm kind of thinking maybe the 256. I don't see myself getting anything less than 256. I had that with the iPhone X, 256. I ran up half of that memory in the lifespan of me using it. It wasn't a full year, but hey, man, this naming is terrible. Yo, Apple, another thing, man. Yeah, y'all need somebody with some swag in your department, man, with some pep in their step. Because these names, y'all coming up iPhone XR and XS Max, it's trash. Nevertheless, I wanted to keep this quick and sweet. I just wanted to get on here and complain about how boring the event was, how much the iPhone XS Max cost, the fact that I will be getting the Apple Watch Series 4 as well as the XS Max. I think I'm grabbing. And to be totally honest, I really like the size of just the iPhone X. I think that's the perfect size phone. You get a perfect size screen. That's literally the model that I think is the more practical for the everyday user, in my opinion. Now, obviously, you already know I'm one of those power, big time, big boy users, you know what I mean? I got the Note 9 massive phone, so XS Max won't hurt me in any way or inconvenience me. Apple event 2018, we got the XS, XS Max, and then a XR. XS, XS Max, XXR. Apple, get the names together and get some swag in your damn event. All right, man, I'm done. Peace.